So I started my WyoTech tenure in July of 2020 with chassis fabrication, and then I did the Automotive Core Program. I then added the Diesel Core Program. I did advanced diesel and high performance powertrains. On the diesel side, there's definitely more opportunity. All the big over-the-road trucks that you can work on, whether they have a Cummins engine in it, a Cat engine, a Detroit, stuff like that, you have to be trained in all of those. If you're not trained, you can't work on them. The trucking industry is what keeps the nation going. Same as hydraulics and all the big skid steers and loaders and bulldozers. Those help build the buildings that we sit in, probably this very one. The sheer amount of employers that come here, I mean, we have 76, something like that here today. Today I met with 10 employers. I got a job offer immediately. I have, I believe, 8 offers from the 10. I will say that had I just walked into a shop, I don't think I would have succeeded. Coming here and getting the formal training and actually being taught, the right way and not, this is how I do it, definitely helped a lot.